for some reason that live video did not work. So I'll kind of tell you what I did that we missed. So I made some wine slushies. So what we did is we did a bottle of wine and a bottle of water, and we mixed it into a pail. So bottle of wine, bottle of water, and we did the peach slushy mix, which is this one. And we mixed it into a bucket. So you could use an ice cream pail or you could use a Ziploc, and then just stir it together, put it in the freezer for 5 to 6 hours, and you have a slushy mix. So very, very simple to do. This one's great to take along with you camping. You can take it on girls' weekends. You can scoop it out and do individual portions if you want. When I do it, I like to take it out, scoop it out, put it in the blender, and then blend it so that it's nice and smooth. So that's one way of doing it. The other way is in the blender. And what we did is we did a bottle of wine, and then we just did a half a pack of the citrus one. And this one is actually won me bold beverage number 3 at State Fair. So I was really, really quite blessed. They loved that one. And then we added a pack of frozen berries from Aldi's, and then we blended it. So zip, 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 and then you can add some ice if you like. And then you have a perfect little sangria there. Or you can use the big glass, which you might need because the kids are home. You can also make it with rum or tequila or vodka. You can make it into a screwdriver. I like to do those in the blender. So I'll add the rum and some orange juice and some ice and blend it and just do a half a pack. And you have an instant cocktail. So super easy to do. If you want to make them with the kids this week, you can do it with juice. So do cranberry juice and then just a half a pack, and then add the frozen berries or the ice and blend it so the kids would enjoy that also. So do a half a packet with for you with like rum or vodka, and then the other half you have left over to do it with juice for the kids. You can also do a spiked lemonade. So do your lemonade, do a little bit of rum or vodka. You can do it in the freezer, then do the whole pack, or you can do it in the blender and then just do a half. So many different options on doing the slushy mixes. And then I do have a sale on them. They're normally 2 for $15. This week I have them for 2 for $10. And because we're not at the deer and turkey coming up here in April, which makes me sad because I really love that show, but I understand that we have to be safe and be careful. But so we'll be doing some more online videos. So I'm doing a sale. You use the code TURKEY, and then it's a 15% off. So enter the code TURKEY in the checkout, and then you get a nice sale price on that. So watch for that. I also do 50% off fundraisers. So keep this in mind if you're looking for extra funds for your group, or if you have a kid that's doing a class trip and needs extra money, or a mission trip. So pass that along to the schools and the church. Super easy to do with the seasonings. You sell them for $5 and you keep $2.50, so half. If you're close to me, I'm in Belgium. I'm happy to meet you. Otherwise, I love our good old Speedy because they can ship a 50-pound box for under $20. So happy to help you guys with that too. So watch me. I'll probably on Thursday do a stuffed French toast recipe. It is so good and really easy. And then I'll introduce you to some of our sweet dips. But I'll do let's see. Yeah, maybe we'll do a strawberry. So we'll do a strawberry French toast Thursday morning at 10 again. And make sure you share the videos, because I love to show you guys different ways of making different recipes. And then I have some alligator in the freezer. We'll probably do some of those too, and maybe some venison. But thank you so much for taking the time and watching me. I'm sorry the first one didn't work out, but we can always just wing it. We're all good. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you all soon. Have a great day. Stay safe. Wash your hands.